How to find video quality settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video quality settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and not notifications, sorry, go back and now click this one, media. Here click on it and here you will find video quality. Just here you can manage anything you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.